Hey guys, it's a quick update for you. I have a couple of things that I want to get to in this video. The first one mainly being that last week when I met with my wonderful doctor, we discussed, depending on the results from my blood work, whether or not I should begin shots instead of orally taking HrT. And we have decided, thankfully, to go with the shots. So tomorrow or Monday, I will be going to my pharmacy and picking up, I think it was called estradiol valerate, 20 milligrams per milliliter, I believe. But I'll be picking that up. I won't be actually doing the first injection until Thursday. I work Monday night and Tuesday night, and my doctor is not there on Wednesday. So we're going for Thursday. I will make sure to make a video about that. I probably won't be able to film in the actual doctor's office, but I will get to the after effects and the experience and my opinion on it. We decided to do the first one there at the facility, just so I knew what I was doing and making sure I was doing everything correctly. That's all I know about it so far. We haven't established a weekly or bi-weekly basis yet. I guess she'll tell me when I get there. I'm really not sure what we'll be doing. But the other thing I wanted to get to really quick is leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the length of my videos. Personally, I used to like watching really long videos, like 20-30 minutes of updates, just because I like to know what was going on in people's lives. It's not imperative that they be that long, especially if it's an informational video. The shorter videos that were packed with information were just as good as the long ones, but it helped me build sort of I guess a connection with who I was watching the longer the video. And some of my videos have quite a bit of rambling in them, which is just my nature. I seem to wander off on tangents, and I get a little carried away sometimes. But let me know if you like the longer video format, or if you want me to go to a shorter style, more to the point, more edited, getting some of the rambling out of there, and just basically making it more concise. There's not really I don't really have an issue with going to shorter videos. It would definitely help on the uploading aspect of it, because I have to jump through some hoops if the videos are longer than 15 minutes, which they have been for a couple of videos now. But yeah, just let me know what you want me to do with these videos, and I will make sure to try my best to comply with your wishes. There will be an update coming probably Thursday night after I do the injection. If it's not Thursday night, it'll probably end up being sometime next week, as I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Other than that, I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. Try to be entertained and do what you love through this quarantine time, and just overall communicate to your friends and tell them that you love them, and I don't know, reach out to somebody you haven't talked to in a long time, see how they're doing. Love you guys.